Hi my friends. A friend of mine from Italy asked me to model this part. I made the model, as you can see. Made the stone, and the drawing is like the other one, with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimensions. It's enough. Let's start. New standard millimeters IPT, sketch this plane with X to the right, and we select the tool polygon with the 8 sides, not 6. Then we place a corner here. We apply same vertical for this point. We dimension as in the drawing the contour, which is 120. Okay, finish sketch. Then we create a new plane based on the previous, based on this, at a level of 30. Sketch, project all these sides, but without points. Finish sketch. Visibility for the plane, but this means that there is no visibility. We use Alt F5 in succession, colors, high contrast. Okay. Then we draw another plane based on the same at the level of 55. As you can see, this octagon is not oriented like this external. This line is horizontal, and the corners are at 60 millimeters. Again, polygon 8, I suppose it's already 8. This is the center. We apply horizontal for this side and dimension of 60 from this corner to this corner, 60. Finish sketch. I select the plane and I apply Alt V, which means not visible. This plane is now not visible. I select the sketches with dimensions, which are these two, to hide dimensions. Okay, now you see what is here. We continue by creating a plane based on these 3 points. 1, 2, 3. We create a sketch here, project this line which is in that plane and this point. We add 2 lines. 1, 2. This one was projected. I select the plane and I apply Alt V. Then I select this plane for a new sketch, F5 for you to see from the same angle. I project the 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, and I apply extrude of this area, closed area, to the last plane. Yes? Okay. Now we have a first volume. Now I create a new plane based on this point, and this point. Sketch, project this line and this point. I draw a line from here to the point and back to the line. I don't need this, I don't need this. Finish sketch. Visibility. I use this plane now for a new sketch which has projected this line, and this line, and this line. You see the new contour. Then I extrude that contour, this one, to the last plane. This is the last plane. Okay, we have a second feature here. Now I apply circular pattern. I select features 1, 2, axis, which is the axis Y, and 8 here, not 6, 8. Okay, I hide all the sketches, not all. Visibility, because I need this one. I select that sketch, double click, and I apply offset of 5, as in the drawing, of course. And now I extrude this space between the two, oriented to the bottom, to this plane. Yes? Okay. That's all, my friends. Let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, paste. You don't see any difference. Cancel. Now I select the material from Autodesk material library because this has stone. This is stone, but I select stucco. Yes, and I have the beautiful and nice object. Alt Fi to go back to presentation. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.